Welcome to a new video. Since we've seen that the videos on foot reflexology and the video on sciatica treatment have been very well received, we've decided to combine them and we're going to give you a sciatica treatment through reflexology. We've already discussed sciatica, which occurs when pressure in the lumbar area causes the sciatic nerve to pinch, resulting in pain that can radiate towards the buttock, knee, or foot. But today we're going to focus on what reflexology treatment is for treating sciatica without touching the damaged area. Reflexology treatments, as a general rule, we always start with the left foot because it's an easier way to start tapping into a person's energy. But in the treatment of sciatica, there's always going to be one leg more affected. So in the foot of the most affected leg, we're going to focus much more on other techniques. This massage can be done with any oil or cream, but today we're going to recommend one from Alchemy that contains chamomile, rosemary, and juniper. And this oil is perfect for enhancing all of that microperipheral circulation and for alleviating muscle tension and joint tension in the body. Firstly, let us warm up our foot. It is important to begin loosening up the muscles of the foot. So let's perform mobilizations of the ankle bones, the metatarsals, and the little toes. And let's utilize our thumbs to loosen up that muscle to initiate experiencing some relaxation. And there we are going to go through with all thumbs on the sole to loosen the muscles. It is of utmost importance that everything starts to loosen up, and we are going to perform mobilizations of the ankle, tarsus, metatarsals, and toe movements in order to promote flexibility and improve range of motion. By mobilizing these areas, we aim to enhance joint mobility, reduce stiffness, and optimize overall function of the lower extremities. Once we have finished warming up the foot, we start treating the sciatica in the affected leg, and we're going to start by applying some pressure with our thumbs on the middle line of the side of the leg, which goes from the knee to the foot. It's like the edge of the shin. There we are going to attempt to untie the knots we encounter, and we are going to move up and down as many times as necessary until we reach the heel, which is located on the outer side of the leg along the middle line of the side. In the heel, we'll treat reflex zones, including the iliac muscles and hip muscles, to address the issue. Once we arrive at the plant area, we have already reached ankle deep, and when we reach the plant, we are going to work on this edge area, which consists of the iliac muscles and the muscles that we have in the hip area. And there, our objective is to use a small path or apply some pressure with the knuckle in order to work the area until it becomes slightly softer or undergoes a change in its smoothness, gradually and with precision. Later, we'll address the two small dots that reflect the sciatic nerve and are positioned on the heel. We have these two small dots situated there on either side of the midpoint of the heel. We're going to handle these with the thumb. Let's press and let's make some intense little circles. Let's try to go deep, and we're going to hang out for a little while at each point. Then it is of utmost importance to focus on the gluteal area, and we are going to discover that on the inner edge of the heel, and in the same manner as on the outer edge, we are going to work on it either with circular pressures or with small walks. We will continue to insist until we observe the softest region with a distinct tactile sensation. Afterwards, we'll go on the middle line, but from the inner side of the leg, and this time we'll do it going up from the foot to the knee. Using our thumbs, we will search for calluses along the edge of that bone to find all of them. We will continue ascending until we reach the knee section, where we will persist for a short while. To wrap things up, we're going to work on the reflex column in the foot. You may remember from other videos that the columnar is going to be the bone part of the bridge, and on the side of the little bone we find all the muscles of the paravertebral muscles of the back. Therefore, our focus will be on both areas, namely the bone part and the muscle part. In the same manner, when working with the thumb, we will utilize circular motions, and ensure thorough coverage of the delicate edge of the bone. The sacrum, a triangular bone at the base of the spine, has been treated. Moving upwards, we have the lower back, also called the lumbar region, followed by the middle back or thoracic region, and finally the neck or cervical spine. All of these areas are crucial for maintaining overall spinal health. After ascending, we'll repeat the process while descending, using our thumb to carefully search for any remaining rough spots until we reach the heel area again. This thorough approach ensures that no rough patches are missed during the descent. By employing our thumb as a tool for inspection, we can confidently identify and address any rough areas, ensuring a comprehensive examination of the entire surface before returning to the heel area once more. We can now complete the massage by using gentle strokes to induce relaxation and incorporating energy sweeps. This way, the feeling will end up much more pleasant. If you have a sciatica problem, it's very interesting to try this treatment combined with the stretches we mentioned earlier. I hope you guys tell me how the evolution has gone down in the comments, and if you liked it, you can give it a like, you can share it or subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to take care of yourself because your body is your temple.